Okay, guys, your guys are going to be mind blown. This is a 15-minute trend continuation strategy. So I've done a lot of back tests. There's a lot of ways to do it. Some people do it on the 5 minute. Some people do a 1 minute, a 30 minute. But I found like kind of like the medium age, like the medium zone that I really like is the 15-minute candles. Because with my strategy, what a lot of times I see is I love doing trend reversals where when price goes up big or price goes down big, I look for those EMAs to revert back to, and that's the same thing here, but we're looking for the trend to be continued. So if we know it's an uptrend, we want to focus on buying calls, and if we know it's a downtrend, we want to do puts. And so what happens is it's kind of like a retest type pattern. So what I want to show you guys, and I just want to make this a video again on how I traded IWM and I did calls. So if you go to my Discord, it's in the YouTube comments below if you want to join. It's very affordable, 12 bucks a month. You're going to make so much money. But if you go to my day trade alerts, you can see I alerted IWM calls multiple times here. I said I'm in IWM for a trend play at 10:38 a.m. The trend play was working, taking the gains as it goes up. So why did I like that here? So what I want you guys to do, it's very easy to do. Find the beginning candle, the first 15-minute candle, and you can see draw a horizontal line from the very top of the wick and then the very bottom of the candle. So would be like right there. So this right here is going to be your basic support and resistance. So when price comes here, there's there's support. When price goes up here, there's resistance. And if it breaks above that, that means it is uptrend, right? A short uptrend, and that's all we need. We're not trying to say like it's going to be an uptrend for days. We're just trying to say, there should be a continuation uptrend within the next 15 minutes to even an hour, or it can be all throughout the day. I just want to make sure we have a nice little uptrend forming. So right in here, you can see 9:45. We draw our lines. This candle at 10 o'clock does not signal an uptrend. The wick is below this horizontal line. We do not count wicks, so that might be a little confusion for some people. You can clearly see this wick went above, but we closed under this resistance. This next candle, though, at 10 o'clock or 10:15, clearly shows us massive candle, big bullish candle. But do we want to just buy randomly? No. Just because we know it's a little, it's an uptrend doesn't mean we want to just randomly buy. We want to make sure we get the retest pattern. And that's what I want to talk about. So the retest pattern is going to be price coming back down to the EMA 5, the 10, and then the 20s. All right, so as always, the EMA 20 is going to be your safest. Then your 10 is a little riskier, and then EMA 5 is the riskiest. But what I have been doing, and with some back tests, we are going to do also 1 minute to make sure we get very good entries. So as you can see, we hit this EMA 5, and we had a nice little bounce up. Right in here, we hit it, bounced up. And then I took the trade multiple times. And then I took the trade right in here, hit the EMA 10, and we bounced up. So me personally, I like taking it near the 10. As you can see, I waited towards the 10 here because I want to give you guys more of a safer entry. And, I've seen it many times where the 5 gets hit, and yes, if you didn't take it on the 5, you just missed out. I'm more patient. I don't mind. And then you can see right in here, we tried to hit this upper resistance, or that became support now, and guess where it bounced? How convenient. This candle had a bounce. So here's what we want to do. So we know we have an uptrend. 10:15 confirms uptrend because we are above that first 9:15 candle, and we closed clearly above. And then we have these candles coming down. So when we get near the EMA 10 right at 11 o'clock, let's look at the 1 minute. And I'm doing this on my laptop, so you can see that I still have my lines here. Even on the 1 minute, you're clearly above. And look at this clear resistance. We broke above and comes support. And look at this. We hit support, comes up. Hit supports, come up. So right in here was a very clear signal of it hitting the EMA 10 right in here on the 15-minute candle. So what we can do is we can look at, what is a trend line where we can get a nice entry. So right in here, I also want to see if there's a bigger trend Oh, wow, this is beautiful, right? This is absolutely beautiful. So you can see right in here, if we know we have an uptrend, the 1 minute trend channel is very nice to see. Well, where can we get nice, precise entries? I played it right in here. Let me see my exact timing. Literally 10:38 a.m. Well, look at this right in here. Right when I played it, I alerted it. Right in here, we took the entry. This 10:37 candle, 10:38 right here. Look how we had this 1 minute. This 1 minute, we touch this and we go up, but we're probably not going to have all that data, right? Because when you're looking at this data and you draw the trend channel, you can't draw it all the way out here. It's going to fluctuate up. So I try to get near the channel, right? So realistically, you would have this right in here. Here's your upper here, and then we want to make sure we get the 15-minute near the EMA 10 for an entry. Use the 1 minute for the most precise. But we know there's a continuation of the trend. So as the candles go, we can keep dragging our trend channel. Remember to keep dragging it as it goes. So as you can see, we got super duper close right in here, and we are also getting a confirmation of the 15-minute hitting the EMA 10. Could it go down a little more? Your risk versus reward is amazing. One, you had this upper resistance that turned support right in here, this line here. So it can go a little more down. My stop loss would be under here. So to me, there's just a clear risk versus reward. There's no ifs and buts about it. But look at this massive gain that it went up. Massive. And so then we can play it one more time. I played it one more time right in here at 11 o'clock. 11:01. So how convenient. Right in here at this big support zone. So we drag our trend channel. And look at this, and this is going to make you guys excited. Right in here, you can clearly see we get close enough. I would definitely take it right on this candle. You can see right in here, not really close enough, but when you drag it, and on this candle right here, we got super duper close. And then on this candle, we touched it. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be awesome. Sorry, I'm getting a little excited about this. I didn't mean to scare you off the chair, but so that's where we got that. I was just using the 15-minute because I'm literally did this on my phone. Didn't even need to use a computer. This is how accurate this 15-minute continuation of the trend strategy. So taking IWM calls one last time here at 11:01. 10% gain potential. If it's EMA 20, I'm adding. Another good trend player taking the gains here and selling 80% of the contracts, holding 20% for home run hit. So very absolutely beautiful play here. So the 1 minute confirmed, we have a nice entry. The 15-minute confirmed, we are due for an uptrend. So it makes sense to play the trend channel when at the bottom on that 1 minute. So I used to do these a lot, but when I re-improvised it, this is amazing. This is amazing because we know the trend. We know the short-term trend within, it doesn't have to be all day. We know within 15 minutes to, an hour or two, there should be a nice, decent uptrend. And look what we got. We had a nice, decent uptrend all throughout most of the day. So if you look at IWM, we had a nice little, we had this bounce here on the 1 minute you seen there. We had this bounce here. We took it at the EMA 10. So we had the first hit here. We got close to the 10, took it again here. And, so we had here, we went up here, go down, and we went up. And as you can see, all throughout here was from 10 o'clock all the way to, 1 o'clock. We had a couple hours enough trend. And as you can see, price kind of stayed above here and kind of just did this. With options, we don't want to wait this too long. Get in, get out, make our money, right? 10 to 20% gains. So this is the strategy. I'm going to try to keep making videos when I can do this strategy. But obviously, the bigger the candle, the better. You can clearly see at 10:15 we broke the 945 very clearly. So it's an uptrend, and then we look for the retest pattern. So we draw your 1 minute trend channel, look for that retest, have your stop loss under this horizontal line that turned support. If it was if we had a put side like a downtrend, so we would look for price to come up, right? We would look for price to come up near the EMA 10 or near this bottom's resistance zone for price to get rejected. If it wants to go back up, then guess what? We have a stop loss above here. Very clear, defined risk versus reward. I think you guys are going to love it. This was a brief scenario of the 15-minute continuation of the trend strategy using a 1 minute to get precise entries and to make bank. I think you guys are going to love this. You guys wanted more plays, you wanted more strategies. Well, when I did a lot of back tests on it, I liked this 15-minute strategy for finding the trend and then using the trend channel to find the entries on the 1 minute. because a lot of my strategies right in here, IWM, this is my regular strategy here, is where we look for the 1 minute to be near this ATR4 with time distance. And as you can see, when you get these fast reaction moves, price comes up in your favor. So there's two ways to play this. As you can see, when you have time distance and you're getting close to this ATR4, price comes tumbling down. So there's two ways to play it. If you guys want to learn all my strategies, day trading, definitely join the Discord. Hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do, you're not a subscriber yet, just hit day trade alerts right in here if you want to subscribe, and it'll give you right there access to everything. Or you can go to server shop here and you can read my products here. I have two products, swing trading or day and swing trading. Obviously, if you watch this video, you want to be a day trader, you want to learn these strategies, definitely join the day and swing trading plus, because that's going to give you access to that tier, going to give you access to the community that talks about day trades and all that, people splatting out, watch this thing, watch this, and the trend strategy, it's coming up here, we're ready, and I'll be in there too. I'll try to alert these plays and all that. So I hope you guys, day and swing trading plus, $12 a month. I think you guys are going to like it. You're going to get access to the day trading education. I will put this video inside here too, so you guys can watch it. I'll try to keep posting these things. I think you guys are going to really like it. Swing trade alerts here, swing trading education, all these videos. Swing trading is a lot harder. I'm going to be honest. You've got to be able to accumulate properly. Sometimes you need a bigger account. That's why I say even if you have a big account, I personally just recommend day trading. It's the most efficient. You make your gains fast. You never have to worry about overnight holding. You'll sleep like a baby knowing I have no positions. I just keep rinsing and repeating. And with practice comes experience. When you keep seeing these plays and you see this 15-minute play out, you don't even need to probably draw the lines. You're going to be like, wow, this is so easy to see. I can very clearly see right in here the 10-15 candle is above the 945. So it means calls. It means uptrend. If we went below the 945 and we have a clear body below it, it means puts. Focus on buying puts on using the trend channel on the 1 minute. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I won't take up any of your time. I really hope you guys do decide to join the Discord. I think I love talking to you guys. You guys are like my family. I do this full time, so I want to always keep making videos, always keep researching, spending my time, working my butt off to make sure you guys are profitable and give you guys these strategies where I try to improvise it around the system of where I made my core strategies, and I think you guys are going to love it. This is a trend continuation strategy, and if you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, share it to your friends, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.